Do you want to learn peripheral nervous system and central nervous system, especially their functions? If you do, please keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back here on this channel, and today we are going to tackle about peripheral nervous system and central nervous system, especially their functions. And what are the main difference and some similarities about these two? So without further ado, let's dive in. Well, first, let us tackle why is it important to study nervous system. Well, studying the nervous system advances our understanding of our basic biology and body function. Knowing how things typically work can help shed light on what may happen when there are problems. It can help researchers find ways to prevent or treat problems that affect the brain, nervous system, and the body. Peripheral nervous system, or the PNS, plays a key role in both sending information from different areas of your body back to your brain, as well as carrying commands from your brain to various parts of your body. That's according to myclavelclinic.org. While the central nervous system, or the CNS, most systems and organs of the body control just one function, but CNS does many jobs at the same time. It controls all voluntary movements such as speech and walking, and involuntary movements such as blinking and breathing. It is also the core of our thoughts, perceptions, and emotions, according to revfoundation.org. But that's just an overview. Do you want to learn more? Proceed to next. So the CNS is made up of the brain and the spinal cord components. So the PNS is all the nerves that branch out from the CNS components and extend to other parts of the body. To the sense organs, muscles, and glands, the PNS connects the CNS to the rest of the body. Central and peripheral nervous system collectively make up the nervous system in vertebrates. The CNS comprises the brain and spinal cord. The PNS comprises somatic and autonomic nervous systems. The PNS is involved in the transmission of sensory impulses from its sensory receptors into the central nervous system. CNS and PNS are the two components of the nervous systems in animals. The central nervous system comprises the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system comprises somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Main difference between the two is that central nervous system receives sensory information, and the processed information is sent into effector organs as the response, whereas in PNS it is involved in sending information to the central nervous system and sending responses from the central nervous system into effector organs. That's according to pedia.com. To emphasize, the central nervous system controls all the voluntary functions in the body, while the PNS controls and influences all involuntary functions of the body. So CNS are voluntary, so just like walking, laughing, reading, while PNS are involuntary, blinking of eye, heartbeat, digestion of food. That's according to the defer.com. To establish a point, CNS is a system of sensory nerves and motor nerves linked with the brain and spinal cord. The main functions of the body are controlled by the brain, so the CNS is connected to the sensory receptors, muscles, and glands in peripheral parts of the body by the PNS, whereas PNS is a vast system of dorsal and ventral root nerve cell heads and the network of spinal and cranial nerves that are linked to the brain and the spinal cord on one and muscles on the other. The PNS involuntary controls several functions of reasons like internal organs, blood vessels, and smooth and cardiac muscles. The sensory neurons construct nerve impulses from the sensory receptors in various parts of the body to the central nervous system. And also, to give you more visualization and illustrations, I'll be attaching different photos, different links, and different pictures, video links, so that you can also visit, and also so that you can further your research if you want to study more about PNS versus CNS or nervous system in general. And by that, also attaching here are the references to establish the credibility and validity of the information that I am providing you. And also based on the reading materials provided by the school, I also attach here the photos where I got some ideas and information from this video. By that, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you'll learn something, and I hope that next time we'll be able to tackle different and more ideas so that we'll be able to know better, be better, and yeah, that's it for now. Stay curious and stay healthy. Bye-bye.